So here's the problem, 6th graders. Adding and subtracting with fractions is super messy. And I'm just tired, so we're not going to mess with it. So here's how we cheat around adding and subtracting with fractions. So check it out. We've got 25 and 3/10, 376 and 77 hundredths. Tenths and hundredths don't match, so we can't add them up. Here's how we make them match. 25 and 3/10 can be written in decimal form like this. 376 and 77 hundredths could be written in decimal form like this. So then we can just line them up. So check it out. 25 and 3/10, 376 and 77 hundredths. And here's what I can do. I can even add a 0 because 30 hundredths is the same as 3/10. So I can do that without changing the value. And then check it out. I'm just going to add it up normally. 7 plus 0, well, that's 7. Then over here I've got 3 plus 7, that's 10, so I carry my 1. 5 and 6 plus 1, 5, 6 plus 1 is going to be 12, so I put my 2 down here. I carry my 1. 2 plus 7 is 9, plus that 1 is 10. Put our 0, carry our 1. 1 and 3 is 4. Here's the important part. I have to make sure that I bring down my decimal. So that's the secret. Now let's check out our next problem. This one's going to be a little bit different because, look, it's got fifths and halves. And that doesn't really work with decimals because decimals really only come in, tenths, hundredths, thousandths, 10,000ths. So we have to convert them into something decimal friendly. So 1/5 is super easy to convert into tenths. What do you have to do to 5 to turn it into 10? You have to multiply it by 2. And if you do it to the bottom, you have to do it to the top. So you have to multiply that 1 by 2. 2. Okay, so 426 and 1/5 is the same as 426 and 2/10. Awesome. We're going to do the same thing for our half. 1/2, then we're turning it into tenths. So that means we have to multiply by 5. We did it to the bottom, so now we have to do it to the top. 5/10. Okay, so 275 and a half is the same as 275 and 5/10. Then we just have to line everything up. And add it together, making sure to keep track of our decimal. So we've got, over here, we've got 2 plus 5, 7. 6 plus 5 is 11, and we're going to carry our 1. So 2 plus 7 is 9, plus our 1 is 10. Carry that 1 again. 4 plus 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. Let's make sure that decimal gets dropped back down. Boom. 701 and 7/10. All right. For each of these exercises 1 through 5, I want you to be checking in with me and getting a smelly star before you move on to the next one. Good luck!